Eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ili kubatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo eyo karose chirangi meyense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biriya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi ejo boyiko chire chichi brand ao ejo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwate chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba isiko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nibwa amavuta yani oil na bwigo chiriya chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chire kurwase chire cheri guririke iriya gatigati wekari guri iriya bantabati bwigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo wochoganya chirangi wikabunuragani wochoganire erangi yiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwikirano tutarire rero eliwe nyorere abamanyi naboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero otumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eyuerange neduka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Aha. Kwa hiyo umeamua kuumwaga mchele kwenye kuku wengi. Mbona mimi na yako siyasemi? Mwanaume gani wewe? Kutwa kujilizaliza. Sehemu ya kulia mimi, unalia wewe. Ukirudi nyumbani, unalala tu. Haujali mwenzako nimekula, nimeshiba au nina njaa. Au niwaambie watu kama mchezaji majeruhi. Kwa mwezi unacheza mara moja tu. Niache!
Dada, maneno unayamwaga hayo.
Niache. Wewe umeamua kuyamwaga. Kuanzia leo watu wote na
Mugasomya nainde mwancho murigire wa Getembe TV Jumapili tariki 15 na Ibere Ekeonga asenchira yobwenge kurugeta seniki ya Getembe nchengura wakati ni Nyaboga Wilson makori kurasomo na wimanyerio na bayigavira kariri na rakwana kyabura chibicha na mariogi ngogo ikerachira senchira ere yobwekirano karansike obe 90 weka omwerio natoko chaka abarai aoni go bagenderere kumotoka ebirengerere byabo anane igoro yetaro yabagusi korwa osi igoro yetaro y'abantu kuroro gongoro gusi gochia ase enyomba yobura ya Setas omochi o Nairobi okona na Getembe William Ompasani go agikeire sabari eyo asebo igo agikeire gatimiro birio ya serikali anemono gocha ase rogongoro gusi asebo igo agendere kumwakire koko omwaziri mukuru b'uburendi bw'ime Dr. Fred Okengomatiangi oyore neganga yokurya ekero kyobora ibwense na kubori abagusi gochamo bunegesa kuna kumubwatisia oyo mwabo
Igonale kwiranĩria abagusi ba minto ngambu ya bamwanyorete sabari ya gavura rindi mukagenda gukiaria somo junga State House mukachikorora murayo yo itobweliraba asogosanga mangana abere mono muna abanchali bali mwachie tororo igonko batebimbu ya nanye mwachiete ngende mwachete ko imobeke monwa ndengi nande mwakio yeti lakini muna abanchali ntwabwate igendo kya muhimu anga mwetu egete mogane muri poti omurayo ito bigera konya banchali munabona abanchali baito mbasireti buli mubwabo gwe kawa basiriye nyumba yabo ye town ye kawa abali bakulime kawa mbabwase bobima kawa chiabo abantu basakoire nibo yomulimi bayirira yonse ii jambo ndio mungejukwa motebyo murayi oli bwelira abanyatara amanyalinganeli amanyanga bonchali bonombo betole egentongo pongeso murayi ito esegeti likiende garo kiembuya gwatironeretie irinege tiki abanchali ito semere tingantu bwate gentoko lire gasito asomo chio bonchali kibwata magenderero nale goteba iga chira chirio murayi aliete chinyingo mato mwana bakuli chire chiga twagitweba akateba chichire merongene nkwaga chichire egetingo kerosiale irami begale chirami chiparagete bali mwachieto ane mubwati amanganaya morenga ikeranire erinde umonchale nyore gento tiene ragweto no mugusiko achumura utoro chabara baito bagusi balito semeriti barabara ya banene mnabona chigaba na cheito Ibere moske simbarati no mugaba no Nyamira abasene tabonse babere na wapongeza sana Saruti asenge jomwa gati musimamo bomo gusi inuti mwaje tekobwati rio Roger gojialia gojikolia machere na kwa egwe libumbiri iko mwabete ngamo bwato murayo ino gusi uitukula musime ya matiangi mukate na famu nere mukate abantu go chenja tubwato umwana itutwara osiribuya iko twara osiribuya twatengenesire na endo ora irando bamororire ukoruko musime matiangi gongo bapongeza bono bali mwachiete machere mwali tengo langio ali kurwenda ira tubwate ndobe ke matiangi kirogo aba Kenya bono kwa jumura batebire matiangi oko gana isojingawa matiangi onyankuru ngumbu matiangi onyankuru bonchali matiangi so abantu baito bagusi tigakole to gwatana ne kana saba nanji bagusi tigatora bange gente kemo tubwate umwana uyu to ku matiangi endo turatema ko jibe kororo igondo jenga to jibe ke jikono moyo yomo mugambi itongo gambali kero keiga no mondo bwate enkolengia endo rakolire gasi ando bamororire tutiko kopaka no mone berengeria abana siasa bakeigo bali batagete ko turusi kurwa ande batero jibosigisi ali
Togo skabosio turigererie sekta erihsemi as abuase serikali ya boriwe korenta ababuatani ao korwase sekta yomo ilikwanera emechando anene mono moroberio OCBC obereko gwetera ilikone kiabuna mechande yongo erere na boigo moroberio yongo ikiranore okwana na Getembe yo kabere omu principal aserieta Joseph Makori ni gatebire nerebuya ababuatani bonsi bachamo bakwane ere bakore emechande yo yabe as Omorobiro OCBC.
We got a lot of challenges. These people should go to the drawing board. Only you can this level back on your change, of course, but they should go with speed. But bring all the stakeholders on board. But then we have a challenge. Do what a challenge. And some of flexible. Gender fresher courses. The tooling if we were printed in plenty. Already, able to kwanza, able to prepare psychologically. Why could public participation? What they won't care about Abanana. The system tolerated the getting here quick. Bidorango Savannah assignments. Or you want I assignment CPC could we school. At the Moga Kaba Baba coin. The parents you assist. The parents should assist the child to do this assignment. Omo inorosi kurumogo ndukuru agachi te ma bia chi te kondo usembu ma sa chi te kokon. Engo ke truire ose munyamo truire mwana te konem. Omo inorikanga ya konem bide.
Mwaziri huitsemi Moske Julius Migosi ogamba nigo akwanire ganga yogosira ebyegwa ase aborokia anenemo ase aborokiwa anenemo no gochakera chiskuru cyoboroso weka chiskuru kiria chechi university gokwana korwasagana ime ya meru chinga kichama merania ya matera gose music festivals Migosi niga tebire omorobiro CBC nigo osego insi omorobiro CBC nigo barache kwaga chiskuru osenigo barache gochake chiskuru echo kirache kwana na maigirio anena mono igoro ya matera munenjire yamo yokosira aboroko bali babwate ebyego ase amatera.
In the early years category, Your Excellency, we had 15,750 students participating. Those are the pre-primary, the ECDs. Primary schools, we had 40,000 students participating. In junior schools, we had 24,050 students participating. In secondary, we had 48,300 students participating. In TVETs, we had 8,000. And in TTCs, 4,800. And the universities, 6,350 out of the 26 universities. What does this tell us? It tells us that talent is across our institutions. And it has vindicated us today, Your Excellency, that the competency-based education program that we are undertaking is actually the right way to go. And because of that, I support what the chairman has requested for, that we think about establishing a premier National Academy of Creative Arts and Music. The reason is I was sitting next to Momanyi here, John Momanyi, who presented the violin presentation. He tells me that he wants to pursue music. And he applied to go to the Interlochen Arts Academy in the US and got admitted. But the fees is too high. He got a scholarship of 50% of 7 million, is looking for the balance. If we had that academy in this country, he would not need to look to apply to a university or to a school outside Kenya. So, Your Excellency, as a ministry and with your guidance, we can start looking at the mechanics and methods of how we can be able to establish that institution so that we can have our people progress and benefit from the CBE that we are doing, because the first cohort that would go to university will go in 2029, and with an academy like that, we'll be having another institution where these students can proceed and study, so that we can get the benefit, the total benefit from the arts and science that we are doing.
Chingakia chechio mokonyi bumurai bwense Professor Pram Kithure Kindiki nera nigo akwanirite Chinsa gia isato chumurobiri osibet gose CBC asebo igo atebete kera ensagia nigo ebwate obuyabwaya na kuolia ababwatani bonsi gosira aborokia aubari insi yomurobiri OCBC.
The pathways of STEM, that is science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, is a powerful pathway that will drive our country to the next level, into the next century. The next pathway of social sciences is equally important, Your Excellency, because while science speaks to our hardware as a country, the roads and the things we want to do in scientific and technological advancement, the social sciences help us to understand that the human person operates in community, and they help us become social beings. So that equally, the social sciences is an important pathway. The arts and sports and the creatives, which is the third pathway, is also important, because while science speaks to our minds and makes our minds better, the social sciences talks to us so that we understand the society and the community we live in, so that you can have an engineer who understands they live in a society beyond the science and the mathematics that they have been taught. But the performance arts and the music and all these creatives, Your Excellency, speak to our souls. They speak to our souls. They are the ones that can help us fight corruption, fight the vices like violence, and also help us promote positivity, nationhood, hard work, integrity. And therefore, Your Excellency, these three pathways speak to the wholesome approach of nation building. And I dare say, Your Excellency, as a former professor, that none of these pathways is superior to each other. They are all important. STEM is important. The social sciences are important. The arts and sports are important. And maybe the conversation our policymakers will help us into the future to discuss is whether we need equal numbers in all these qualifications and pathways. I don't think we need the same number of experts in STEM compared to the same number of the social scientists or those in the arts and the creative, the numbers. But
na togo cha gukorera umuwaziri omonene omoske Musalia Mudavadi nigo abolire abantu osaba Kenya komenya amobuna igisa kwekemo irio batige obosaku. Mudavadi nigo atebire gose omwaka 2027 omoske Ruto nabo nigo barache kubwatana no muraiwe kya makeregia ODM moske Raila Odinga ere korosia eserikali nere no akare ime ya serikali asabolire abantu kororogongoro Western tibanga ino na baso ime ya serikali.
Watu wote washirikiane katika taifa hii so that we can all live as one people, one nation called Kenya. One tribe called Kenya. Yes. Let us move together and develop our nation. Na ndio kwa sababu sisi tunasema kwa hii siasa Ruto ni president. Mimi nilipita hapa, nikasimama hapa, nikaambia watu wa hapa kwamba I have no business lying to my people. And I told you the truth, that the person who's going to be the president of this country is William Ruto. Let's work together. You thought I was joking. Nyinyi mlifikiri nacheza, nadanganya. Ilifanyika ama haikutendeka. Sasa wakati mwingine nawaambia kwamba 2027 Ruto na Raila wameshikana na Mudavadi yuko pale. Sitaki kusikia tena ati munabahatisha. Mumeonyeshwa barabara na waambia tena hiyo ndio barabara na nitawaambia kesho hiyo ndio barabara. Tusiwe watu wa kurukaruka.
Chapto Krista ikaikominainye igure Chinsa Isano na Ibere chabona mugaso mancho muriye wekiraga bunongo twekira mwere Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere asenchira yobwengo mwere ikominto ntumbera nega igaimi studio ngoretere ayu amona yande twaro burigire burobya.
Superstores nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza yanchere amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills elikuya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achebwirigirie amabati anda onsialia utagete showroom yeto nigo enkale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokie riso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati aiga ntobwate etime tempo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebererie kende gensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao unamono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asibe babwate boomerang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama mabati alia aye chigage emerongibere na isano na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na boigo web design babwate igani kabwate chikala bunabonelia chako gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na boigo na green obutambe bwe mabwate yiga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyaraka bo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabwate yiga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase Uhuru MRM showroom onyareka bagokwerera amabwate yu akomenya segeka ayo uchane warrant na boigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asobwango eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores igiye gutoka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imiyumucho yigo busongo iyo irangene duka ya Safaricom boigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ire angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera sete namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
ndagira njana gwansabuna iyero sirine Riziki Caterers. Riziki Caterers ngorobare obukoreri ubuya asa Chinsa mubuna outside catering. Asemeyega buna chinyangi chionse, chi birthday, housewarming, chi anniversary, chi get together, amatanga, corporate events. Kokorabare nankoena nabare obukoreri asa Chinsa muboyego buna decorations, chi tent, ebirogo, chi mesa, chi keke, nabo igon kuru baro obukoreri bwa public address system. Diubago to kambarabare ne skuru yuboroso ya jogo. Samange bakresi miase namba 0797119986. Riziki Caterers, Ubuansu Windagera.
Mama Rosa.
Jirani.
Mama Rosa, nimefika hapa kwako.
Karibu sana jirani yangu.
Naendeleaje?
Tuko salama.
Mbona mzee analala chini hapa na analia?
Mzee analia, mzee ni mgonjwa. Mzee amekaa nashughulikia yeye, nimempeleka hospitali, hata sasa anashinda ugonjwa wake, nimpeleke wapi sasa?
Sasa shida ya mzee ni gani? Hiyo mzee hajazeeka. Shida yake ni gani unamwacha hivi?
Mzee wangu mara ni mgongo, mara ni kifua, ukikuja mara magoti, mara miguu, hata kuinua hivi juu huwezi inua. Sasa nimeshindwa nifanye nini jirani?
Wewe usikii hata redio ikitangaza juu ya hospitali inaitwa Nuga Best.
Nekene enyagitari ya Nuga Best nero yuka ewate okubwa uwokorubu wenya wetere chimashini chekerero kurwa sinseri ya South Korea. Nuga Best niko babire bako wenya amarwire ao ayiwagendere ko bagagucanda mwanya bantu unabono uburwire buri bwa mauga yani arthritis, uburwire bwo mugongo watya, ulcers, amarwire yenda onsi egati amarwire ande niko bako batukubu wene buiga bagutumeka chimashini chekerero niko bagutuka imeyo mu cy'ubusungo asamagacho ahuru tawasirirongo lya kabere eyiberanga nebengi ya Kenya Women batari rero Nuga Best gotanga mbuya kubwa kugwenia
ngora mugaka ke na kigwito mugaka
Okora tindi bobe.
Obo mano ne kero kwacha ono gotarangwa konyaro tano no goikaransa ngwaro konyaro goikaransa mugaka. Aiga ni gore senya getari ya Nuga Best.
Na ande ngimwacha kwa nkori nya gitari. Kaki oruti na itana ni gutinya gitari. Kumanyika na mente. Kaki abana bane. Kuchisindani ntungiro gotongu. Ni gombali rukubarwa. Kaki nimbe.
Ayo mugaka na getari yitu nduri ko rusimanyinga nduri ko kobara nduri ko kobekera macho mugaka eto ko bwene ko etera samaryo ko itana no Diamond Tumenia muno ikaranse kana maryo ko ikaranserete amaryo kana rawo konya go swa senjera yo mubere elinda go konye ko bwene mugaka na bono tukware ko nyara gutara mugora yali ndialete amaryo kana rago so mugaka ago konyo mugaka ko konyoro sami kiyera mbuke kabisa no mugongo mugaka ira ni kubuya igesi ndu senye getari yitu ya Nuga Best nduri ko bara nduri ko rusimanyinga nduri ko bekera macho ndo se mugaka eto ko bwene etera senjera yekerero aso gutumeka chimashini chito chekerero cha Nuga Best mugaka
buya mole
안녕하세요. Egena nyasaye tumia Nuga Best ebintu binde byonsi tiga na nyasaye we kada kurai omenye naenda bwe buya no sale no bwato mu berogo were tena kaiba wa yule bwana tena we kera mtinyi ndo na ndo tuwe clinic kyo mugaka ne kyo mongena na ba hira tena we kurumba golera mashine ye mati nanya ko baira clinic ya arthritis igongo baira tuwa clinic riyo korana manyinga bara manyinga buyare ndo buyebe mwaka na wako cyo chaga orani uyana agota kwe
Nuga Best inchu naye bwenekerie obuwenya bwekene. Hazan Mega Wholesalers asentundende nande nigo yirenire buya nande biyemono asentundiye nigo egokoneria ebinto aserigori erianse kegema asetauni ga yabosongo koni bare ebinto asensemo ya electronics and electricals